Another form of enrichment for your kitties is shelves. Cats naturally love high places. So if you put high places in your house and give them choices to choose that, then they will stay off your countertops and other areas that you do not want them to be. Our cat Zeta is demonstrating this by walking from one shelf to the cat tree to another shelf. And then we have shelves all around the living room. And she's going to cross over here to her hammock. There she comes. So again, something that is pretty inexpensive and wonderful for you to do for your feline family members is create shelves.